Breathe new life into that old tile floor with Designer Stencils Monarch Stars Floor Stencil. First, sand your tiles with an electric sander to create a suitable surface for painting. Then, clean your tiles thoroughly with a cleaning solution. Next, apply a quality primer and then base coat, or a combination of the two. After the paint is dried, spray one side of the stencil with repositionable spray adhesive and then place the sticky side down onto the first tile. Use Americana acrylic paint to create your stenciled pattern. Soak the high-density foam roller thoroughly with paint and then remove excess paint on a stack of clean paper towels. Too much paint on the roller will result in paint bleeding underneath the stencil. While painting, be sure to change the direction of the roller frequently. When you're working with tiles in a corner or up against a wall, either bend the edge of the stencil to make it flat or trim the stencil edge. We recommend doing this after all other tiles are stenciled and completely dry. When finished, simply lift the stencil and move it to the next tile. Repeat for each stencil, beginning on one end of the room and making your way to the other. To fix any stenciling mistakes such as bleeding, apply some of the base coat paint using a thin artist brush. Once you're finished and all the tiles are dry, apply a couple of coats of a quality acrylic sealer to protect your new floor. Your new Monarch Stars tile floor will add beauty to your home for years to come. For more tips and ideas, visit designerstencils.com today.